All right, today we're going to look at changing the cabin air filter in a 2017 Ford Explorer. The first thing you need, of course, is an air filter. I'm choosing an STP in this case. Here's the product number, but go to your local auto parts store, give them your information on your car, and get one that's appropriate for you. This one actually works on a bunch of different Ford SUVs and CUVs. Now, once you get it out of the bag, one thing to note is they will note on it airflow down. Airflow is always down inside the car. Be aware, sometimes some manufacturers will put an arrow pointing up that says top. In that case, you'd want to do it like that. All right. Now, unfortunately, the Explorer, it's pretty tricky. So the first thing to do, open the glove compartment and take all your crap out. I've already done that. Now, the next thing is over on this side, you see this little V right here. There's supposed to be a dampener that's attached right here. Whoever changed this filter before never reattached it. So I'll show you that here in a second. The next thing is inside the glove compartment, there's two latches up here. And you've got to push those up to release the top part of the glove box. So I'm going to have to use two hands and a knee to lift this up slightly. So right down here, latch, I'm pushing upward. And you can see now it releases this edge of the glove box. Now, you can also see this is sometimes when you do this, my hinge actually broke. It's supposed to be attached to a white peg right there that I just removed, but you can see that happened. So somebody broke this glove compartment in the past. I'm going to have to replace this all at one point. But back here, see you're going into the glove box. There's this little door right here. There's two latches at the bottom that you're going to release. They just kind of hook in at the top. So you release, and the whole thing just comes off. Also, while we're here, this is that dampener cord that I was just talking about that we'll put on at the end. The door comes off, and there's the old filter. Yeah, in need of some replacement here. Once again, verify airflow down. And then you simply reverse the process. You see there's two little tabs right here. They just simply slide into place. And you get a nice satisfying click. So next we're going to try to do two things at once. Get the glove box door back in here, while also pulling down this dampener. Hopefully you can see this. I'm just going to there you go. Hope you can see that. Slide it back in. And we're done. 5 minutes, maybe 10, and you're done. I hope that helps. If so, please give us a thumbs up. Appreciate you being here. Leave a comment.